Well, last few weeks have seen Hrithik and Kangana fight it out in media. Mainly, the lawyers from both the sides are fighting it out, but most talks and nasty comments are coming from Kangana's side. इस किस्से की शुरुआत तब हुई जब ऋतिक और कंगना के अफेयर्स की खबरें हेडलाइंस बनने लगी. According to sources, Hrithik and Kangana became friends while shooting of kites. While shooting for Krish 3, they became even closer, and the news of their relationship started making headlines. Recently, there was news that Hrithik ousted Kangana from Ashiki 3. Well, to reply to this news, Kangana said in an interview, "Yes, many lame rumors are doing rounds. Even a dumbass can tell where these rumors are coming from. I don't know why these exes do silly things to get your attention. For me, that chapter is over and I don't dig graves." In her interview, Kangana indirectly called Hrithik her silly ex and blamed him for spreading rumors. As a reply to this, Hrithik tweeted, "There are more chances of me having an affair with the Pope than any of the, I'm sure, wonderful women the media has been naming. Thanks, but no thanks." Here, Hrithik directly denied all the lame rumors of his link-up with Kangana Ranaut. But Kangana went ahead and kept dropping hints about the person she was in love with and person who was her ex. Even Alia Bhatt could have guessed it was Hrithik. Well, after this, the smoke turned to fire. Hrithik sent a legal notice to Kangana. The notice sought an apology from Kangana for defaming Hrithik. Kangana, instead of apologizing, retaliated with her own legal notice to Hrithik for intimidation and threat. Although it was a legal notice, Kangana Ranaut's lawyer made it public. He also made it a point to speak out against Hrithik on many different levels, making Roshan look like a culprit. It was in the same duration that Hrithik received another legal notice for his innocent, harmless Pope tweet. Interestingly, this legal notice that was sent to him by a Christian group was represented by the same lawyer that represents Kangana Ranaut. Hrithik later apologized for his tweet, citing that he would not like to hurt any religious sentiments. This whole incident is no less than a typical movie story. According to Hrithik's notice, Kangana sent him around 1,439 mails, even though it amounted to mental harassment and stress. As a reply to that, Kangana in her notice made it very clear that Hrithik himself had provided email ID on which they were corresponding. Hrithik had earlier filed a case with Cybercrime Unit regarding the said email ID. According to Hrithik, it was an imposter communicating with Kangana with an email ID only bearing Hrithik's name, but it was not apparently Hrithik. Kangana's close friend in an interview to a tabloid said that they both went to Paris and got engaged there, but later it was found that Hrithik only went to Paris once, and that too with his children. Apparently, most allegations from Kangana's side are turning out to be false. This legal war between these two actors has taken an ugly turn. अब देखना ये है कि ये वॉर कितने आगे बढ़ती है. क्या सच है और क्या झूठ, कौन सही है और कौन गलत, ये तो वक्त ही बताएगा. बॉलीवुड नजर, मुंबई.